going to be shaving Rishab's head. Here's he. Let's take a look at the before. As you can see, it's very long all around. The last time he had a haircut was in?
I think 45 days ago.
Yeah, around March. Okay, so now from just the ordinary haircut, we're going to be shaving the hair. So this is goodbye to all of this hair. Like, give us one pose. Wow, okay. So as you can see, Rishab is getting his head shaved. This is the first time in 20 years that he's going to be completely bald. As you can see also, he looks a little bit shy, scared, shocked. But this was his wish. So I hope that in the end this is what he likes. How are you feeling, Rishab?
Nervous. I'm nervous. How would I look later?
Hairdresser, how are you feeling?
Were you nervous also?
Look at those locks just falling off. Wow. Look at that, guys. A head full of hair now laying on the floor.